Good day, sir. My name is Zaiza Milianto, and I'm here to present the chat booth, offline chat booth, the activity that you have given to us last last week. So here it is. Oh, uh, so in this chat booth, since this is offline, so akong gihimuan ni is ako ra nagbutang-butang kung unsay i-input sa user kung unsa sa response sa booth. So for example, if I say hi, then the bot will respond, "Hello, how can I help you?" If hello, say it will respond again and say hi again, how's everything going? Then it also um I'm not only using the English language, but I also included the Tagalog of this. So if I say kamusta, then the response will also be Tagalog. Kamusta? Ano ang maitutulong ko sa iyo? So my chatbot also can respond in mathematical operations. The basic which is the addition, subtractions, multiplications, and divisions. If I try to input 1 plus 1, then I click send, then it will respond. The result is 2. Let's try subtractions. So 10 minus 5, then it will respond. The result is 5. 10 times 10, then the result is 100. Then 10 divided by 10, then the result is 1. So in my chatbot, sir, so if the users inputted nga wala nga to sa dictionary, it will respond like, sorry, I did not understand. So for example, if I say ha 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 ha, example na, then the bot will respond, sorry, I don't understand. Since ha 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 is wala ni nako gibutang to sa dictionary. So more na ang offline chatbot. So let's go sa code nga akong gihimo. So I'm using the HTML since mas masayon siya para nako. And I was supposed to be using the Android Studio katong ko ani generally sa pag what do you call of this, pag um pag-discuss sa katong video, pero since ang akong laptop is dili siya kadaog, so I'm nangita ko pa maagi nga makahibo kog chatbot. That's why I'm using HTML since pwede raman siya. So HTML, then I am using also JavaScript and CSS for the functionality of my chatbot is JavaScript. And then for the design, I'm using the CSS. So here, so I'm using the HTML. So kani siya, this is my style sa ako ang um chatbot mo na to. Very simple lang. And so ari na ta sa HTML. So this is my HTML. So made a class, then name, then offline chatbot katong mo kania. Mo ni siya. And then I have chat box, then input container, which is this one. Text, which is the kaniya siya. Text, yeah, kaniya. Type your message. And then the send button, which is the send button. So here, I'm using JavaScript. So, so here, mo ni ako ma-respond nga ako ang gihimo. So this is my dictionary. So when the users inputted hi, then the bot will responded this part. Hello, how can I help you? Same ra na siya di ari. So, sa akong butay, I forgot if I'm gonna type what's the date. If I send it, so sorry, I don't understand. Why? Ganong sorry, I understand. Because kuwang siya og question mark. It should be like complete jud siya. Di siya ingon nga kuan ra. Like, for example, what's the date? Mo kuan siya mo respond siya sa nga date since yun nga offline man siya. So, kung sa gi-input or gibuhat dito sa dictionary wala dito sundon ngadto. So, what's date? It should have the complete. Then the bot will give the date today and even the time. Wait, I forgot. What time is it pala? Then good evening. It's currently 8:45:04 p.m. So here, this is the functions. I'm just calling this nganhi sa mga functions nga akong gihimo diri nga part. So this is the function evaluation expression. So this is the input. So this part here, this will evaluate the inputted numbers from the users. So this one here. Then the result will and then the result will be calculated here. Then if the bot did not understand kung sige imong ipang input ngadto, then it will return, sorry, I can't calculate that. So this one, this is ni mo ni ako ang gisuwayan ganina about the date. So I'm just creating a function get date info. So the days, then the Sunday, the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, until Saturday. Then today, new date, I'm using this, and then these, then get day, and then it will return the date today. Also, same goes sa get date info, we need to get the time. Less ani. So this is if there's a validations, if ours is less than or equal to 0, and ours is greater than 12, then it's morning. Else if ours is less than or equal to 12 and ours is greater than or equal to 12 and ours is less than 18, then it will return afternoon. Then else it's evening. So when you responded and asked the question what time is it, then it will return good. Then the time, it will get the time of the day, and then its current time. So I also have a function initialization. So this one, ang kaniya siya, mo niya siya ang kaniya. Kaniya siya. Nag-initialize ra ko daan. Dara. So without asking, naara dyan ni siya diri. If I'm going to refresh this, run na siya nga rin. And then here, this is the add event listener. So even for example, sa ang ako ang mga sa live sa dictionary nako, as you have noticed dere sa mga input using the lowercase. So if I'm gonna type here puros dagko, it will still send the message and this one will convert it into lowercase. So mao ni siya nga ridapita. So everything nga i-convert sa user, i-input sa user, even it's naka-uppercase siya tanan, it will still get or respond, the bot will respond as long as naa siya nga ri. As long as pareha siya. It will only convert it into lowercase. So this part is this prevent this sending empty message. Then of course this is the input, this is the user's input. Then we have this here, this one, this checks if the if mathematical operations, that this will check if addition ba siya, um subtraction, um multiplications and divisions. If not, then there's if not, this will also check if the inputted are in the dictionary or nabangari. Then it will answer the response, sorry, I don't understand. If not, then both will respond. Here, Monisha, this both respond, display the both respond. Then this one, cleared the field after clicking the send button. And this is the scroll. Kani dapat diri. If I'm gonna kung ano ko na, siya scroll kani. And then I also give the maximum height of the container of the chat. So this initialize. So this is initialize the chat, Monisha. I'm just calling it. Kanisha dapit. So that's it for today. So wala na ako ang chat monster. Very simple, and I'm using two languages, which is English and Tagalog. It can also answer simple mathematical operations, which is addition, subtractions, multiplications, and division. So mura na siya, sir, sa line man. So mura ni sad ang ako ang library ay the dictionary. So that's all. Thank you.